This Rose Realty property video is presented by MikeGarant. Looking for less maintenance to your home? Say no more because your new condo was just listed. No time to mow your yard? No worries, the HOA takes care of that. This all-brick condo is located on a cul-de-sac so you can enjoy peace and quiet from less traffic. This condo is equipped with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living room with an awesome fireplace, dining area, kitchen, and 1 car-attached garage. Your new condo has a nice back patio, updated roof, newer replacement windows, updated landscaping, updated heat and air in 2016, and everything has been well maintained. Call your favorite realtor for a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact MikeGarant at 270-570.